Today I'm going to show you how to make a black and white video in CapCut in just a few simple steps. This is a quick and easy edit, and it's perfect if you want to give your video a classic, cinematic, dramatic, or clean monochrome look. Whether you're editing a vlog, a short, a reel, or just want to change the mood of your footage, this method will get it done fast. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more CapCut tips and editing guides. Now let's jump right in. First, open your project inside the CapCut app. Once your project is loaded, look at the timeline and tap on your video clip to select it. This is important because CapCut needs to know which clip you want to edit before you can apply any changes. When the video is selected, go to the top menu and tap on Filters. This is where CapCut keeps all of its visual effects and color styles. After that, use the search bar and type in black and white. CapCut will bring up the available black and white filter options, and you can scroll through them if needed to find the one that best fits your video. Tap on the filter you want to apply, and you'll immediately see your video change into black and white. If the look feels too strong or not quite right, you can usually adjust the intensity or try a different black and white filter for a more subtle result. Take a moment to preview your video and make sure the style matches the mood you want. Once you're happy with it, your clip is now officially in black and white and ready to export or keep editing. That's all there is to it. In just a few taps, you've turned a normal color video into a stylish black and white edit inside CapCut. If this helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy CapCut tutorials, editing tricks, and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.